Georeferencing. The term georeferencing refers to the process of taking a digital image, which could be an aerial photograph, a picture of a topographical map, a geological map, and adding coordinates to this image. With the help of GIS or mapping software, we can place this image with its real world location. Now let us understand how we do georeferencing in QGIS with coordinates. Now first select the tool raster and then go to georeferencer. Now in this georeferencer window, we go to settings and transformations. In transformation type, we will select polynomial 2, which is the most widely accepted one, and then go to resampling method where we select nearest neighbor. In target SRS, we select the coordinate reference system WGS 84, and then we will give the output raster path. When we browse there, we have to select the topo sheet which is there in the folder. In this case, we are selecting 47 f by 15, and we are adding the extension modified. We say save. Now once we go again to the transformation setting, we have to look at compression, that is LZW, which is the normal requirement for this pixel size. Then there are two boxes, that is save GCP if required, and then zero transparency box when needed. That also we have to check. You say OK, and then we go directly to georeferencer window and open raster. Now when we do this, we will see the topo sheet which we have saved, and you select that and open it. Once you add this topo sheet, you start with the process of adding points in the four corners of the map. First you zoom in, then you select the icon which is uh, for adding the points, and you click exactly on the intersection of the latitude and the longitude. Once you click there, you will get a display of enter map coordinates. For the x value east, you will write the longitude, that is 73 degrees 45 minutes, and for the y value you write the latitude 18 degrees 30 minutes. You say OK, and then you will see a GCP table which appears below where you can see the coordinates which you have added. Then again you zoom out and zoom in into the next right corner. Follow the same sequence of clicking on the adding point. Once you get the intersection, click on that, enter the values in the enter map coordinate box. Now, as you can see, longitudes are vertical lines numbered from west to east, and the value is entered in the east box X. And latitudes are numbered from south to north, so the value is entered in the box north, which is Y. So here we have the latitude 74 and the the longitude 74 and the latitude 18 degrees 15 minutes. Sorry. Now we go to the bottom left corner and follow the same sequence. Now this WGS 84 is always used as a referencer for lat long coordinate system, and in the topo sheet, as you can see, the interval between the latitudes and longitudes is 2.5 minutes, and there are six of them along the latitudinal and longitudinal extent. And you start once you have finished the four corners, you go to the middle points where you can see only the value in the minutes, but you write the same values of 73 degrees for longitude and 18 degrees for latitude. Only you have to add the minutes for the latitude. So these additional points are required for making the georeferencing very accurate. So once you make the accurate georeferencing, it is always useful for the further processes. Here you can see along the longitude, the 55 minutes appears. So your GCP table is getting added with all these points which you have entered. Along the latitude, you can see 20 minutes point. Now we are almost done with this process. Now you can see the table which is being increased with all the values, and then now you will go to the next process of start georeferencing and click on that. Give an output which you have already done. You can see the output appears, and then you run it. Once you complete the running, you can see the georeferencing is successful, which you can see on the top. You close this window and open the next window where you can look at the open data source manager. Go to raster and you will look add your file which you have named as modified. Now once you have added it here, you can see that you can this map which is georeferenced appears. When you click on, how do you verify it? When you click on the layer panel on 47 by 15 modified and go to the properties, you will see in the properties that the latitude and longitude values have been represented correctly. That is, the digital numbers have been replaced by the lat long, and you can see that your process of georeferencing has been complete.